where there would be a piece of energy dropping in from the north that would push the confluent zone farther north. The GFS had that. Remember, we talked about that. Guess who has it now? Show them the flags. The European flag, the ECMWF.
Let's go.
Right.
Now the ECMWF.
The king.
ECMWF is now showing that solution, and now the GFS is not. So what has happened is we flipped a little bit. The GFS is still suppressed south a little bit, but it has a stronger southern wave because it's not dropping in the northern piece like the European is to shear it off. I'll show you what I mean. All right, here we go. This is what we've been talking about. Here we go. Let's go right to Friday. All right, two branches of the jet stream. Northern branch, southern branch. This is the European, pretty robust southern system. You can see that. This is going to put down a pretty decent amount of snow here across parts of Missouri, southern parts of Illinois, and southern Indiana as we go forward. This trough comes through. Okay. Now remember what we were looking at. We've always been focusing on that 552 line, that being the confluence zone. Here it is. Now watch what the European does. This is the European GFS. European GFS, European GFS. You'll notice the GFS with its little kink. There's see that? See the trough axis? Well, GFS weaker and pushing this along. You see that? But watch what the European does then. Boom. See that 552? See it? See the trough? Remember we all talked about this on Monday, that the GFS showed that it dropped this piece, and we can't rule out that possibility. And if that would happen, the snow would go farther north because the confluence zone is farther north. Just follow the stream flow. Look at where all this moisture is going. It's that simple. So your west-northwest flow with the northern trough is a lot farther north. So now this snow is spread out, and because you have this little piece, it's shearing the southern piece and weakening it. So now we're back to the chaos. Here's a piece, here's a piece, here's a piece, here's a piece. It's all over the place. GFS, gone, stronger piece. Watch what happens then, 90 hours, 96 hours. Here we go, Sunday morning. There's that piece, and you don't have a strong southern piece. Where did it go? It got sheared off because of this. See, this is what I mean. When people are saying, understand why we're getting this with the models. If you're looking at the surface QPF, you've missed